They say money doesn't buy happiness, but it does buy freedom. And yet, most people spend their entire lives chasing it the wrong way. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden map to wealth, 5 paths the rich quietly follow while the rest of the world walks in circles. Scene 1. The path of vision. Wealth begins in the mind. The rich don't just work hard, they think in systems. They set long-term targets and reverse engineer them into daily habits. Scene 2. The path of value. Instead of trading time for money, they create value that multiplies: businesses, assets, content, or ideas that pay them long after the work is done. Scene 3. The path of leverage. Money is not earned, it's scaled. They use people, technology, and systems to grow wealth exponentially, not linearly. Scene 4. The path of discipline. Every dollar has a purpose. The wealthy live below their means, invest early, and let time do the heavy lifting. Scene 5. The path of purpose. The real goal isn't just money, it's impact. Wealth is a tool, not a trophy. And when you use it with purpose, it multiplies far beyond what numbers can measure. Outro. Call to action. If you're ready to follow the map, start today. Build value, master your habits, and focus on growth that lasts a lifetime. This is your moment to step off the treadmill and walk the path few dare to take.